Okay, so what we are going to do today is we are going to make a relational table using Python. Okay, so for that, first you need to go to the terminal and you will say pip install pretty table. So it's a kind of package which is used, and press enter and it will install the pretty table for you. Okay, now we will come to the code section and say from pretty table import pretty table. Fine. Okay, now give a name to your table and pretty table, and put the square brackets also. Don't forget to put the square brackets, otherwise we'll going to give an error. Okay, then you will give it the name of your attributes, whichever you want to give. So for example, I'm going to have first attribute as student name, then course, then semester, and for example percentage. Okay, so I have four attributes and I give the name of those four attributes. Fine. Okay, now my table dot add row. Okay, and again you need to give the square brackets also. Now for example, my first student name is John and he is doing B Tech, and he is in fifth semester and he got 86%. Okay, and then my second student is add row first and then square brackets, and then for example the second student name is Howard and he is doing BSc. He is in fourth semester and he got 89%. Okay, so um, this is how you can make as many rows you want, and then in last you will say print my table. Okay, and then click run button and here you will got the relational table. But it is quite messy to write each table, and also you are not asking the user to write the name of the student and whatever the other information we want. So for that we are going to make some changes in this code. And what are those changes? First of all, we will ask the user how many student uh, he want to add. Okay, so giving a name of the variable as count, and we are asking and converting into integer, because the user will going to give in the integer form like how many students. So we ask how many students. Okay, question mark. Okay, now we will use a for loop and we will give a range from 1 to count plus 1. Okay, then we'll say name and we will ask input name of the student. Okay, then course, so we'll say course of the student, and then we will ask semester, right? Semester, so we'll say input semester of the student, and then percentage input, and then percentage of the student. God. Okay, now we'll say my table dot add row and then name comma course comma semester and percentage, of course, right? And then we say print my table. Okay, now let's run it here. It's saying how many students. So initially say two students, and the name of first student is, for example, John. Again, give the same name. um, he's doing BTech. He's in, for example, 8th semester, and he got 98% now. Name of the student is Harvard, and he's doing BTech. He's doing BTech also. He's doing BTech now, okay. And semester of the student is 5, and he got percentage 89 again. So here we are. We got our table. So I think this will work for you also. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Okay, thank you.